Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to deactivate Instagram account temporarily. So to do that, you have to head over to your Instagram application first. And from there, head over to your profile by tapping the profile icon on the lower right corner. And then head over to the three lines icon on the top right. Now go to account center. Once you are there, just head over to personal details in the account settings section. And in here, go to account ownership and control. Go to deactivation or deletion. Now go to the Instagram account of yours. Now select delete Instagram, deactivate Instagram account. And here it means that your profile will be hidden on Instagram until you reactivate it through account center or by logging into your Instagram account. Tap on continue. Now all you need to do is just to enter your password and then you'll be able to continue or deactivate your Instagram account. So yeah, this is how easy it was to do that. Hope this video will help you out, and if there's any questions regarding this, make sure to comment down below and we'll reach out.